Hey guys, how's it going? Chris here with the ACN, and I'm back at Knott's Berry Farm. It's Saturday now, and it's a lot busier than it was when I was here Friday during the day. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna cover all the nighttime festivities here in Fiesta Village, and also just cover some of the stuff that I missed yesterday. So anyway, let's go check things out. Okay, so the cantina is open now, and as you can see, it's much busier than it was yesterday. And we have a band playing over here that I didn't catch yesterday either. So let's check this out for just a second. Oh, there's like some mist up there now at the top. Yeah, what a different vibe it is right now versus yesterday. And I'm really looking forward to it getting dark and everything changing here. It's gonna look beautiful. But it already does, but yeah.
Make some noise for all the dancers on the dance floor!
Jaguar's beautiful temple. Oh yeah. And over here, the Baja Taqueria is now open, so that's really good to see. Again, I can't believe they got this all finished. Looks great, this entire area. With it being close to sunset right now, everything here just pops. Looks great. Let's go look at some more stuff. So it's a really small detail, but on the Fiesta Village sign here, they added this fake ivy that's growing all the way down and kind of comes up on the sign up there a little bit. Just added detail like that, that doesn't really, it looked great without it. And they just, like with everything here, just paying really good attention to all the small details. And on that note of small details, this is something that a viewer in yesterday's video pointed out to me, and I didn't notice this, is a little Easter egg here on the lemonade stand, and it says Schwarzkopf Shipping Company. Schwarzkopf is, Anton Schwarzkopf, the designer of Montezuma's Revenge, which is right here, looking at the spike and the station over there. And he was born in 1924, so that's really neat. And then over here is Flywheel, it's 878? Established 878? Is that when the flywheel was invented? I don't know. That's one I can't figure out. But yeah, that's really cool. And then over here, it was closed yesterday. Oh, let's check out the fire, or the fog. I think it does like a fake fire. Yeah, look at that. Might be kind of hard to see without being zoomed in, but there's like a mist that comes up when the train goes there, and with like an orange light. For those that will remember when this was new, it used to have actual fire up there, which I think became a problem. So this replicates that. That's really neat. But what I was gonna say is, and I'm not obviously gonna go inside here, but the men's restroom is open, and you can see like the they like really nice tile work and everything in there. I'll say they did put dividers between the urinals and and all that stuff that I was saying that they should really do. It looks great in there. It's a really nice restroom. Baby changing station also in there, in addition to the family restroom, which I already pointed out. So there's that. There's also different music throughout Fiesta Village depending on where you're at. And in this area over by Jaguar, right there, it's like crickets and tribal music. This is Disney level attention to detail here at Knott Farm. I just can't get enough of it. There goes Jaguar. Through where Montezuma's Revenge's loop used to be, and hopefully return soon. And I said it before, but I can't wait for all this vegetation to fill in. It's gonna really feel like a jungle in here. The most fitting look possible for in front of Jaguar. It looked kind of good before, and this is just taking it to another level. I hope that this video is doing justice of just how beautiful this area looks, and it's starting to look even better as the sun is starting to set. I can see some of the lights lighting up the temple there and everything. Yeah, wow. Let's go look at the area over by Papas Mexicanas and the restaurant and everything else. But yeah, just imagine like when these trees here, like there's a tree there and a tree over there, all fills in. You're gonna have a lot of shade in here, which is always needed. Yeah, it's so lively right now. And eventually when this opens up over here, be even busier. What a transformation. And I wanted to correct myself with something I said yesterday. Up there where I thought it looked unpainted, on second look, I think it is done, because as I come around here, you can see, let's get a little bit closer here. It's the same color as this, and it's most definitely, it's finished. So that's the look. And yeah, more of that gray color extends here to the backside of Papas Mexicanas. If you look over here, have more of the gray, which I thought just was plain concrete, but I was wrong. Yeah, it looks really nice with all these lights. The ambiance here at nighttime, I can't wait. Oh my gosh. And if you've been following me, you already know this information, but like all this tile here and this colored concrete over here, it used to be just plain old concrete, and this just totally transforms everything. It looks so good. Especially adding the tables over here. This was just kind of a whatever area before. And look at it now, and you can sit here while you eat your food and enjoy Silver Bullet operating. It's going up its lift right now. And there it goes. Comes back. And Jaguar overhead. as the sun makes this hard to see. And as I'm talking details here, this section of Fiesta Village has white trash cans, as you can see. And that section has brown trash cans. And let's go this way and I'll show you the third type. The most exciting thing ever, yellow trash cans. And now that it's starting to get dark here, these are all lit up nicely. Gonna pop at nighttime. Also have some lights up on the ride structure and everything here. Oh, something's happening. What is going on?
Welcome all. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen.
Saludos y bienvenidos, señores y señoritas.
As night approaches and the time has come to illuminate and celebrate.
La noche ha caído y ha llegado el momento de iluminar y celebrar.
We invite you to open your mind
Abra sus mentes.
and experience las maravillas of
Calle Celebración.
Something's about to go down. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Wow. We got some going that way, some coming over this way.
Long ago, ancient Aztecs and Mayans celebrated with music and the language of the earth. Tierra, wind, viento, water, agua, and fire, fuego. Los elementos de la vida. Journey back with us as we unearth those ancient traditions in the here and now. Viajen de regreso con nosotros mientras desenterramos esas antiguas tradiciones. Aquí y ahora.
Whoa. Okay. How about that? We got fire. That is amazing. that it's starting to get dark, let's go take a look at the alebrije gardens here, and I'll show you each of these statues up close under the light. These look really nice. This one doesn't hit quite as well, but oh boy, over here, it just pops. Along with the ride and everything, they got the lights that go up the support structure. This whole area is beautiful at night. Wow. Got another one over here. And let's go take a look at the others. A lot of screamers over there. Here's another over here. I love the flame effect that they have going on that. Looks incredible.
That's full, the dragon's full.
And a couple more over here. Got like a dragon by Dragon Swing over here. The colors just pop. Wow. Here you can kind of see 3 or 4 of them all together. And then there's another little cutie over here. Might be my favorite. So there's that. Let's go back over to Jaguar, see if I can catch that that flame effect again. Rad. Looks so cool. This area is looking so beautiful as it gets dark here and all the lights come on. Just look at it. I'll just do a pan around this entire area here. Oh, and there goes Jaguar again. This might be one of my new favorite areas at Knott's Berry Farm. Love it. And while this area isn't officially part of Fiesta Village, they have it all set up for the summer nights and food tasting celebration. And it also looks pretty darn nice. So I'll just take a stroll through here. Why not? Gives you kind of an idea of how this would be if you were actually here, which if you can, come on out. As we come on into Fiesta Village proper now. Got California over there with a long line again. And just opens up to this beautiful area.
Hey, don't forget about las mexicanas. Órale, por aquellos que llegan
Aztecs and Mayans celebrated with music and the language of the earth. Tierra, wind, viento, water, agua, and fire, fuego. Los elementos de la vida. Journey back with us as we unearth those ancient traditions in the here and now. Viajen de regreso con nosotros mientras desenterramos esas antiguas tradiciones, aquí y ahora.
All around you, the alebrijes are awakening, despertando para iluminar la noche, to illuminate the night. Vivid colors splash in a sinfonía of fantasía. Look around you as the fanciful and bright animals emerge from your imagination into the real world. Miren a su alrededor mientras los animales fantásticos y brillantes emergen de su imaginación al mundo real.
Gracias and thank you for joining us for Calle Celebración.
A celebrar! Celebrate! The night is yours!
La noche es suya. And a very good evening to you. Buenas noches a todos.
Okay guys, that's gonna do it from Fiesta Village here at Knott's Berry Farm. I don't think I can end it on a better note than that show. Just so much fun, everything here, well beyond my expectations. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Of course, I will be back here. This is not my last vlog from Knott's Berry Farm. But until then, have a good one. Bye.